We advise the opinions and views of the hosts and guests do not reflect those of the station.
Good morning, everyone. You're watching the Business Portal, your gateway to business trends and opportunities. Welcome to Peaceabilities live here in GNN. I'm your host, Arman Benko of the Colayco Foundation and KSK Co-op.
Cash, cold, that's what I need.
This is the show that discusses your ability to earn and manage your peso and the possibilities of making that same peso work for you. Your peso abilities. The Philippine stock market is performing very well, at least the first 5 months of the year 2012. There has been strong interest in our Philippine stock market, both from foreigners and hopefully more from local investors. But before any of you gets into the bandwagon, and hopefully it's not just a bandwagon effect, learn from today's episode, Stock Market 101. To help us know and really appreciate what, why, and how stock market works, we have in the show Angel Mercado, the President and CEO of Accord Capital, and J.M. Vida, Research Analyst, and Marvin Miguel, a Certified Security Representative of the same company, Accord Capital. Welcome to the show, gentlemen.
Thank you, Arman.
Yes, and J.M. and
Good morning, sir.
Marvin. Okay, si Marvin nilalamig yung kamay, parang palapit pa lang na malamig na yung kamay.
Opo.
Sanay ka na ba humarap sa TV or this is your first time?
This is my first time.
First time?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Huwag kang mag-alala, we will not make it painful for you pag first time. Angel, we've been talking the past couple of weeks, talking of a possible partnership with the Colayco Foundation, our peaceabilities, our financial literacy. Tell us a little muna about Accord Capital.
Thank you.
Mamaya, after the second segment, we'll delve more on it. But what's Accord Capital?
Yeah, okay. First, thank you very much, Arman, for having us here. And magandang araw sa mga nanonood sa inyo. Lahat, unang-una, nakakatuwa na nabanggit mo yon na ano yung peaceabilities ng Colayco Foundation. Because just like Colayco Foundation, ang Accord Capital ay gusto rin naming iparating din sa publiko ang kaalaman tungkol sa stock market. Medyo maganda yung ating objective pareho dyan, no? Kasi nakita namin sa Accord Capital na ang isa sa mga barrier ng entry ng mga Pilipinos in getting into the stock market is actually awareness and interest. And that's why, together with Colayco Foundation, we'd like to go out there and inform the people, tell the people kung bakit they should seriously consider going into the stock market just like going into any other business na gusto nila o naisipan nila.
Yung Accord Capital is a what? If we will
Okay.
define it.
Ang Accord Capital Equities Corporation is a local stock brokerage company. It is a listed member of the Philippine Stock Exchange. Among the 183 members of the Philippine Stock Exchange, we are actually in the top 40 segment. No? We are number 25, 26 as of today.
Ano yun?
Now,
Based on
total volume yon,
Volume.
traded yon. Of course, the top 15 brokers would be yung mga bigger ones like mga foreign. So among the local companies, I would say that we are among the top local companies here. Yep.
But let me get a short personal background. Are you really a finance guy, investment person, Angel?
Yeah, okay. My academic is actually in economics.
Economics.
I have a degree in economics and I have some postgraduate studies with economics and then business management. But my career has taken me from, started with the pharmaceutical business,
Pharmaceutical.
then in the fast-moving consumer goods, namely in the cigarette business. I spent plenty of time in the telecoms business, both here and abroad. And now I'm back here in setting up ng mga financial services group ng aming group of companies. And one of this is yung
Accord Capital.
Accord Capital, which is the stock market segment. aside from that, I'm also managing other financial services business in the
Of the
group.
same group, of the same
Yes.
group. And JM,
Yes,
you
sir.
seem young,
Yes.
Very much, sir. 24 years young.
24 years old.
Yes,
Bata mo
sir.
pa. Is this your first job here in Accord
Actually,
Capital?
accounting po, this is my third job.
Third job, okay.
Opo. Like Sir Angel, I'm also a graduate of BS Economics. Although, of course, I'm now taking up my law degree.
Law degree?
Yes. Opo.
Okay.
Although in the evening po,
Evening.
I'm a student po of the UP College of Law.
Okay.
At the same time, I'm also working as a research analyst for Accord Capital Equities Corporation.
The past work experience also related to finance
Yes,
and
sir.
investments?
I've actually worked for international financial institutions. I won't mention it on TV na lang din po.
Okay.
Although
Dito boss mo baka galitan.
Opo.
Pa yan. Okay. And Marvin, your a
education.
little personal background.
I graduated with a course of BS Aeronautical Engineering.
Okay.
Medyo malayo sa finance and I started my career in telco business.
Okay.
And right now, I'm serving as a certified securities representative ng Accord Capital Equities. And at the same time, I'm managing the sales and customer service department.
Okay. And all are married? Angel, very much single ba?
Happily married.
Happily married. How about you, young folks?
single.
Single.
I'm already married, sir.
Married. What's your typical day, Marvin? Masyadong mahaba yung title mo. Very interesting. Certified
Securities representative.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, basically, I'm engaged dun sa mga transactions ng mga broker-assisted. Yung mga clients namin na merong mga accounts, like yung mga stock certificates, usually nila-lodge po yan. And then, when it's time to buy or sell na another stocks, I'm the one who's going to confirm kung at what price and at what particular volume, yung dami ng stocks na kailangan nilang bilhin.
So, from anong oras ba ang trading hour? 9 to 3? Extended
Yes,
ng
yes.
trading hour?
3:30 actually, sir.
I'm sorry?
3:30.
So 9 to 3:30 is very toxic ka. Hindi ka pwedeng kausapin
8
ng mga
o'clock pa
taga-opisina. 8 o'clock pa lang.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock to
Because-
3:30, very busy dealing with the client.
Yes, sir. And actually, kailangan marami ka ng handang researches din nun kapag
Handang
nagtanong
research.
sila.
And the research is coming from you, JM.
Yes,
Ano ba
sir.
yan?
Opo.
And how's your typical day at Accord? So,
So
na
being-
pagkakataon mo magreklamo sa boss mo on national TV. No. Seriously, what does a research analyst do? Because I'm very much interested, Angel. Alam mo naman kami sa Colayco Foundation, sa mga ating mga powwows. Sa amin naman puro advocacy. But all of this advocacy should be backed up by valid, authentic, timely information. And research is the key there. Di ba? Nakita mo naman yung Armageddon namin sa Colayco Foundation. Kakaunti kami, hindi katulad siguro sa inyo. I haven't really visited and gone around. What's your typical day as in charge of research or with research?
Actually, sir, for the most part po kasi, I also look at information po from the stock market. And aside from that, I also look at timely news po na relevant po sa ating market. So that means po na, for example, if there are any balita, if there are any news with regards po sa local economy, especially po ngayon sa foreign economies, alam po natin yung sa Europe, diba, sa Eurozone po ngayon na medyo nagkakaroon ng problem. Tas from that raw data po, we sift it out and then we look at how it is relevant po on our stock market. And especially po, dun din po sa mga specifics. For example, yung mga specific stocks na maapektuhan po ng mga news na yon. So from that, meron din po kami recommendations na binibigay po dun po sa mga clients namin.
And you course it through someone like Marvin.
Yes, sir.
And the COO, the president, usually of a stock brokerage, how's your typical day as far as, I know marami kang hinahawakan, but for Accord Capital?
Yeah, basically for Accord Capital, my main job is to make the company profitable enough, so much so that we can continuously serve our agents who are actually our first-time clients, because they are the ones who bring the investors to our house,
Right.
to our brokerage house. And my job is to make sure that operations run smoothly. We have enough funds to support the trades, and that kumbaga yung araw-araw na takbo ng pagpapatakbo ng kumpanya talaga.
Okay. For our viewers who can join in our discussion on Stock Market 101, send a question or share an opinion by sending your text messages to 0917-853-7325. Please indicate your name and location so we can properly acknowledge you. So, Sir Angel, stock market, sabi mo that is one of your goals to hopefully demystify siguro stock market, magkaroon ng interest ang investing public. Ano ba yung stock market? Anong kinaiba niyan sa wet market, sa supermarket?
Yeah,
Alam ko magaling ka sa analogy eh, kaya pinasok ko na yan.
Okay. Yeah, magandang magandang tanong yan. Tama yun sa sabi mo kanina. Unang-una kailangan natin i-demystify what stock market is all about, because when you say stock market, people will always think of the trading floor na
Ang daming gulay na...
sisigaw tayo, may tumaandar ng mga numero na hindi natin maintindihan at natatakot tayo dahil malaking pera involved. Actually, those are myth. Hindi totoo yun. The stock market, let's begin with the simple basic explanation what the stock market is all about. Stock market is a market. Market is a place where people go to sell their products and where people go to buy that products for sale.
Okay.
And based on supply and demand, prices go up or down. That's the basic explanation of what the market is all about. Now you say stock market. Market, ang pinibenta dito hindi goods, hindi karne, hindi isda, hindi gulay, kung hindi stocks ng kumpanya.
Okay.
Ano yung stocks ng kumpanya? Stocks ng kumpanya is, for example, ang isang company, alam naman natin mga malalaking company dito, but doesn't have to be malaki, no? Pwede rin maliliit na kumpanya, magpapalista sila sa they can sell certain portions, certain shares of their companies to the public
Okay.
through stocks, shares. So,
But why would the company want to sell stocks, shares, or ownership?
yeah.
Di ba? Part ownership of their company. Why would the company do that?
Yeah. That's no. Basic nga isa, bakit gugustuhin ng isang kumpanya na magbenta ng shares? Halimbawa tayong apat, meron tayong kumpanya. Bakit natin gusto ibenta sa iba yung shares natin, di ba?
Right.
Gusto natin sa atin lahat yun. Yun, kadalasan kasi sa gusto ng kumpanya na mag-expand, mag-raise ng capital. Kapag kailangan natin mag-raise ng capital, we can do three things. Number one, dagdag tayo ng puhunan pare-pareho.
Nung gagaling ulit sa owners.
Sa bulsa
original
natin.
Owners, yes.
Number two, punta tayo sa bangko.
We borrow money.
We borrow money.
Mangutang.
Okay. Or number three, pwede tayo magpalista sa stock market, sa stock exchange, at bebenta natin certain portion ng ating kumpanya sa publiko. Para yung perang makakalap natin, ayon ay gagamitin natin para
Mag-expand.
maaaring pambili ng mga bagong makinarya para ang production natin lumago. Maaaring pampatayo natin ng mga dagdag na opisina sa mga probinsya para mag-market expansion tayo. Or pang-hire ng mga paggawa ng bagong project. That's the main purpose of selling your shares of stocks to the public.
Okay.
So that's basically what the stock market is all about.
Saan
Now,
pumasok yung supply and demand na binanggit mo kanina?
okay. Now, kapag kasi sinabi yung nabanggit natin, gusto natin magbenta ng shares ng kumpanya natin sa publiko. Pagdating natin ngayon sa stock exchange, sa stock market, by the way, no, iba ang stock market, iba ang
Yun
stock
nga,
exchange.
yung question ko eh. Yung
Okay.
sulat ko. Anong pinagkaiba ng stock market at stock exchange?
Okay. Ang stock market is the market itself. The exchange is the entity that regulates and controls the movement in the market.
Okay. So yung stock
Making
market, hindi siya tangible. Untangible yung exchange.
Exchange. Like for example, the Philippine Stock Exchange. It is the entity that makes sure that the buying and selling of the stocks in that market is fair, regulated, and transparent.
Okay.
So actually, the stock market is a highly regulated industry. Hindi mo basta-basta mamanipulate ito or madadaya ito. Kasi nandiyan ang Philippine Stock Exchange to monitor all the transactions. Plus, ang SEC palagi rin nakatutok dito.
Sa bawat kumpanya.
Sa bawat kumpanya or sa bawat movements ito. Pagka meron lang sila nakita na parang medyo kaduda-duda ng mga transactions, nandiyan na kaagad ang audit yan. Okay.
JM,
Yeah, sir.
sabi ni Sir Angel, companies would participate in the stock market, would want to join the market. Who are the type of companies in the stock market? Paano kung manerts company lang to na hindi kilala, walang track record? Pwede ba ako makapasok sa stock market?
Ganito po kasi, usually naman po kasi ang stock exchange will usually regulate, titignan po nila yung qualifications ng isang company before it enters the public exchange. Of course, nakita naman po natin yung mga examples ng mga banks ngayon na nagko-close. So, kailangan po talaga i-monitor, kailangan pong tignan ng stock exchange kung capable po talaga na i-sustain po yung business. Itong business po na ito, bago po siya ilagay sa public, sa kamay po ng public.
Okay. And how does the stock market affect the economy in general? Yung ekonomiya natin. Kasi sinasabi mo, tinitingnan mo rin yung nangyayari as part of research, the research group. Tinitingnan mo what's happening in different economies. Sa Pilipinas, how does the Philippine economy get affected or affects the stock market? Meron ba?
Actually,
May
meron
relation
pong
ba siya?
symbiosis po yan na tinatawag. So basically, for example, titingnan po natin yung economy as a whole, tapos titingnan po natin yung stock market. So basically, may makakarinig po tayo ng news, for example, about the local economy. For example, ngayon po, very very expansionary po ang ating outlook. For example, maganda po ang business dito. Marami pong opportunities for jobs. Magre-reflect po yun sa stock market in the sense na makikita po natin na tumataas po yung indices o yung measurements po ng pag-angat ng market na yun. So,
Is it correct for me to say, pag gumaganda ang ekonomiya, gumaganda stock market?
opo. And then in the same
Who initiates first? Pag pumapangit ang stock market, papangit ba ang ekonomiya?
pwede pong ganun din, sir. Kasi po pwede po nating i-set sa utak natin na ang stock exchange is a barometer po of the economy din.
Who initiates the benchmarking?
Benchmark.
Sino nauna? Yung ekonomiya ba ng bansa sinusundan yung stock market? Or the other way around? Yung stock market sinusundan
The
yung
other way
ekonomiya?
around po eh.
So which is...
That means po na ang economy po muna ang magkakaroon ng news, then i-reflect po siya ng stock market.
Okay. And so far, I will not put you in the spot right away. Pero dahil gumaganda ang ekonomiya, maganda ba stock market natin ngayon? In general, yung paunang pananalita
Right
ko sa
now po
introduction.
kasi makikita po natin na medyo nag-temper na po ng konti yung medyo positive na ano po natin na
Unlike nung March,
Opo,
Nung
nung March, very
laging,
positive po
almost
talaga.
every week nag-go all-time high.
Opo, lagi po nagpo-push. Ngayon po medyo nag-temper na po siya, medyo tinatawag po natin na medyo flat po yung movement ngayon.
But
Or
for the year,
Yeah, but let me add to that first, no? We are just now seeing the tempering or going down these past weeks. However, remember that for 2012, from January to this point, we have actually breached the 5,000 point barrier already, which in the past has always been like, will we ever
meet.
meet yung 5,000? No?
Mamaya,
Ma-break na natin yun.
Mamaya, itanong natin kung ano yung sinasabi yung 5,000. 5,000 pesos ba yan? 5,000 Carabaos? Pero mabilisan, before I pause on a break, answer this, Marvin. How does one make or lose money? Pwede rin matalo sa stock market, Angel, di ba?
Yes.
How does one make or lose money? Quick answer. In the
Basically,
stock market.
yung para magka-gain tayo, isa yung capital gains and the other one is yung true dividends.
Capital gains meaning...
Meaning, pag binili ko yung stocks for a particular price like 20 pesos, dumaan yung ilang panahon, naging 40 pesos siya, meaning yung capital gain ko is 20 pesos.
kung bebenta ko.
Yes.
Kung bebenta ko. So, allow me to say this, you will make or lose money if you sell your ownership kung ang gusto mo yung gain. Tama ba ako?
Yes.
So, bis na bumaba,
That's a very interesting topic. Do you need to break down
yes,
or ano?
para doon na tayo sa kitaan, and I'm sure yun na yung gusto ng mga...
Maganda sagutin yan after the break siguro.
Oo.
Yeah.
Lalo na may mga text messages na pumapasok. We encourage you to keep on sending your questions, your messages to 0917-853-7333. Please indicate your name and location. We shall answer some, if not most of them, after we pause for a short break.
Ako si Captain Maynardo Constantino, isa akong seafarer. I've been at sea for 15 years. I grew up in an island. Mahirap na pamilya, no? Just like everybody. The normal bagoong, asin, hand-to-mouth survival. Syempre, I would like to have a better life for myself and also for my family.
Ultimate dream ko is, to have my own business. Yan ang ultimate dream ko.
Being able to provide for my family. I don't want to be an employee forever. Yeah.
Magawa ko lahat ng gusto ko nang nakakapaglakad pa ako. Siguro madrive yung BMW ko na malinaw pa mata ko o kaya nakakapagmotor pa ako na malakas pa ang tuhod ko.
Dati kotse lang. Pero ngayon, gusto ko yung maging financially free ba?
Marami na ako na-invest na puro nagka-problema ako talaga. Yung totoo nag-problema ako. So, ang daming nasayang. So, kung long term naman tong usapan dito. So, minabuti ko na dito na lang. At least kahit paano, nakaka-attend ako sa mga ganitong seminar niya.
Naging aware ako ngayon na tagal ko na palang nagsisiman, wala akong naiipon. Oo, yung parang hindi mo namamalayan, ano na pala, pasakay na naman pala dahil wala na eh. Ubus na naman yung kita.
Ako, personally, I think this is a great opportunity to earn and to learn.
Mag-guide ka nila kung paano mag-invest, paano mag-ipon, paano mo mahi-handle yung kinikita mo. Lumilinaw. Kakaroon na ng, kumbaga nakikita ko na yung daan.
Yeah, kumbaga I am on the path, the right path. Marami silang magandang products ino-offer sa amin.
I'm proud to own Chowking, di ba? I'm proud to own a franchise of Chowking because of KSK.
Yung Arum 1. Isa rin ako sa mga investor nun. Sa LED, may kontrata na kaagad. 2012. Kita na, kumbaga.
Nakita ko yung mga ventures na ginagawa ng KSK.
Ito, may-ari ka pala ng bangko. Hindi ba ang sarap pakinggan nun?
I really believe na kapag nagsama-sama yung mga tao, may kalalabasan ng maganda.
Nakita ko na naumpisahan na siya eh. Unti-unti na lang. Kailangan na lang ng kooperasyon ng mga member. Co-op siya eh. Hindi siya tatayo na yung mga members, ilang members lang. Kailangan lahat mag-participate.
Member kayo ng KSK, so sa inyo itong mga business na to.
Nakatuon sila sa mga members. Hindi ka lang basta-basta magpuput up ng money. Bibigyan ka nila ng knowledge about sa papasukin mo. Yun ang kagandahan dun para sa akin.
Walang loss eh. Tapos in the long run, alam mo na may ka.
Ang big question kasi dito is the trust.
You trust KSK, ganun.
Proud to say, I trust KSK.
With KSK, I'm looking forward talaga. Yung girlfriend ko, yun ang sinasama ko ngayon dito.
Sabi nga nila ng una, by word of mouth lang nung una. Eh nung ngayon, talagang nakikita nila may resulta na.
Sincere opportunity. Napakagandang opportunity for financial independence na target. No? Kung meron kang dream of being financially independent in the future, syempre.
Di ko sinasabi sa'yo na magkakakotse ka next year o magkakakondo ka next year. Di ko sinasabing magkaka-house and lot ka na may swimming pool at sariling bakuran o magiging manager ka ng sarili mong fast food restaurant. Di ko sinasabing makakapag-European tour kayo ni Mrs. next month o mapapag-aral si Bunso sa UP at si Kuya sa Ateneo sa susunod na pasukan. Di ko sinasabi ang lahat ng ito para bulahin ka na maraming pwedeng mangyari sa buhay mo bukod sa kung ano ang meron ka ngayon. Ang sinasabi ko lang, walang mangyayari kung manonood ka lang. Tawag ka o text mo kami o i-click mo ito www.kskcoop.com. Sabi ko sa'yo, posible ang mga ito.
Welcome back to Feasibilities. Our episode is Stock Market 101. We are still joined by Angel Mercado, JM Vida, and Marvin Miguel of Accord Capital. So, Angel, meron tayong nabitin na question. How does one make or lose money in the stock market?
Okay. First, no, gusto natin sabihin, siyempre, na we make money in the stock market. Okay. So, just like in any endeavor or venture, there's always a risk, certain risk of losing money. There's always the hope that we will always make money. So sa stock market, it's not different. Pareho lang yan. Actually, you are even better off sa stock market because the stock market, meron kang certain level of control eh.
Okay.
Wherein, kapag ka medyo sa palagay mo, depending on your risk appetite, kapag ka sa palagay mo yung loss mo is hindi mo na kaya, pwede ka naman mag-cut loss ka agad anytime.
Okay.
5%, 10%, you're losing money, cut, stop.
Right.
Unlike yung other ventures, bigla kang na-hit ng sunog, yung inventaryo nasunog, binaha, naundoy. You lose at least 50%, 70% kaagad. Okay? So, wala kang control doon. Dito, sa stock market, sasabihin, merong iba magsasabi, hindi, bigla rin, overnight, bumabagsak. Yes, pero kailan nangyayari yun? Hindi yun madalas.
It is indeed, you're admitting now, parang sa impeachment, you're admitting may risk sa stock market.
Lahat ng ventures,
mayroong
risk.
Malaki kita sa stock market, kaya malaki yung risk.
Yes, but actually, you can do something about it.
Yun ang kagandahan
Yun
sa
ang kagandahan ng stock market.
You
Yes.
can manage and mitigate the risk. Kumbaga.
Correct,
Right?
correct.
Unlike yung sa iba, masyadong maraming hindi sa circle of influence mo.
Yes, I always tell my friends, no, or anyone who would ask me, lalo yung mga zero knowledge about the stock market. Eh, may pera ako eh. Gusto kong mag-negosyo eh. Saan ba maganda mag-negosyo? Usually, pagka tinanong mo yan, sasabihin sa'yo, pag nasa probinsya, tatayo ako rice mill. Magtatayo ako ng karinderya kaya. Okay, bibili ko ng jeep. Okay, gagawa ko sari-sari store. Have you considered yung expertise mo doon sa mga bagay na yun? Kung halimbawa, sa rice mill, bibili ka ng aparato, ng makina. Marunong ka